Morning students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today's your GK class, chapter 20, National Leaders. So, who are national leaders? National leader is a man who is a respected leader in national or international affairs. So, let's start. Match the names of the national leader with their pictures. So, in first picture, who is this? This is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So, Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar is an Indian jurist and politician. Next, who is he? He is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was an Indian independence lawyer and the first president of India. Next, this is Lal Bahadur Shastri. So, Lal Bahadur Shastri was an Indian politician who served as a second Prime Minister of India. Next, Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai was an Indian freedom fighter. Next, he is Mahatma Gandhi. Yes, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was an Indian lawyer and he led the successful campaign for Indians' independence from British rule. Next, he is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, popularly known as Sardar Patel, was an Indian politician and he served as the Indian Deputy Prime Minister of India. Next, he is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. So, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was in first Vice President of India and the second President of India. Next, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So, Subhash Chandra Bose was an Indian nationalist. Next, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So, Bal Gangadhar Tilak was an Indian teacher, was the first leader of the Indian independence movement. Next, who is he? He is Jawaharlal Nehru. So, Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. So, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first President of the India. Okay, students, this is all about national leaders. Move to the next page. So, next topic is Indian pilgrimages, means chapter 21, Indian pilgrimages. So, India has probably the oldest pilgrimage tradition in the world. So, there are a number of religious groups residing in India. So, Hindus call such sacred places as Tirths. So, let's start. Identify the religious places and give the names of the places where they are located. So, in the first picture, we see Kedarnath. So, Kedarnath is situated in Uttarakhand and it is a Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. In the next picture, we see Bodh Gaya. So, Bodh Gaya is a small village where Buddhists are placed. In the third picture, Ajmer Sharif. Ajmer Sharif is a most famous dargah. He was a Sufi saint. In the next picture, we see Prayag, means Prayagraj. So, Allahabad officially known as Prayagraj. In the next picture, we see Rameshwaram. So, it is also a Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. In the next picture, we see Mansarovar. So, Mansarovar is situated in high altitude where freshwater lakes fed by a Kailash glaciers. So, students, Kedarnath is situated in Uttarakhand. Bodh Gaya is situated in Bihar. Ajmer Sharif is situated in Rajasthan. Prayagraj is situated in Allahabad. Rameshwaram is situated in Tamil Nadu. And Mansarovar is situated in southwest, means in Tibet. Okay students, move to the next page. So let's start with chapter 22, food flavors. So India has very rich variety of food. Name the food with the clues of the ingredients that are made from. So first one is North Indian food. So student, North Indian food is basically famous for aromatic gravies. So in the first picture, made from leafy vegetables. So what it is? It is saag. S-A-A-G, saag. Next one is made from wheat and maida. What it is? It is rumali and naan. R-U-M-A-L-I. Rumali and N-A-A-N, naan. Next, West Indian food. So student, West Indian food is famous for cooking oil. That is, they use coconut oil. Like in the first picture, meat from spices. This is pomfret. It is a fish. Next, meat from vegetables. So this is vindaloo. Next, East Indian food. So student, East Indian food is basically famous for mixed flavors. So in this picture, meat from milk, and the recipe is cham cham. In the next picture, meat from fish. This is hilsa. In the next picture, South Indian food. So South Indian food is famous for several spices. In this picture, meat from rice flour. This is idli. Yes, meat from coconut and jaggery. This is puran puli. Okay student, that's all for today class. We will meet you in next class. Thank you. Bye students.